I am Nick from Jordan Bikes, and check out this beast under this cover, an Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory, and it comes with this cover as well. So we're filming this in HD, so if you want to watch it in HD, press the button in that corner of your screen and you can see it in all its glory. So I'll pull this cover off. This is a 2018 bike, new in March, and it's done 28 miles from new. That's right, 28 miles. Previous guy basically bought it, got a load of shifts at work, he works away and he just didn't have the chance to ride it, so we bought it off him. What a shame, but you can save yourself a load of money on new. So this is the factory model that comes with Öhlins forks, Öhlins shock, the Brembo, the M50s. Yes, they are M50 monoblock calipers. Those things stop on a penny, they're fantastic. So they come with traction control, ABS, power modes, anti-wheelie, full colour TFT dashboard. This basically is a world superbike for the road, but with a comfortable riding position. 28 miles from you, what a shame, but you can save yourself a load of money. I'm just going to get my phone out as well, because integrated with a full colour dashboard, you can get an app for your telephone, and on this app it tells you all the live telemetry from the bike. So if someone's doing a track day, you can be at the side of the track with your phone turned on. I'll just show you that, Mr. Cameraman. And basically you can see how far over they are leaning, the lean angle, how much brake pressure they're applying, how much throttle they're putting on. So when they come back after the lap and tell you how fabulous they've been, you can learn the truth from your mobile phone, because it tells you your lean angle and everything, and it shows all the same on the dashboard there. Don't know if you can pick it up, but it's all on there. These really are just a super bike for the road. Sound fantastic as well. This one's got the Akrapovic carbon exhaust, cruise control as well, launch control, just everything you need basically. But I'll crack it up so you can have a quick listen. There you go, fantastic. The bike will still need running in, it'll need a few hundred miles with the original oil in, but after that you're ready to go. So that's it. If you want to save yourself a load of money on brand new, give us a call. Cheers. Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.